Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need 3 ingredients to make this, and the first ingredient is gooseberry. Gooseberry is a very healthy ingredient. Chop them into small pieces. Gooseberry helps in weight loss as they break down the fat cells and convert them to energy. They are high in fiber and low in calories, controls blood sugar levels, protect your brain and very good for your heart health. Now we are ready with the gooseberry pieces. Add it to a mug like this. The second ingredient is cumin seeds. Cumin seeds has anti-cancer properties, helps to treat diarrhea, controls blood sugar levels, fights bacteria and parasites, has anti-inflammatory effect, lowers cholesterol levels and aids in weight loss. Add it to the same mug. The third ingredient is fennel seeds. Fennel is high in nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium and manganese. It contains powerful plant compounds. It suppresses appetite and thus the calorie intake is reduced to a great extent. It's very good for your heart health. It also has cancer fighting properties. Add it to the same mug. To this add 1 cup of lukewarm water. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 5 minutes. The essence of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. It's been 5 minutes, so let's open and check. The ingredients are well soaked. Now strain and add it to a mug. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Drink this on an empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.